Learn English to Gujarati time words: during, since, until, now, before, after, against, without, in.
Gujarati.
Welcome to the time machine. Hey, you are about to learn 8 super useful Gujarati words without falling asleep on your dictionary. Yes, this chapter is educational, but it also has snacks, drama, and at least one emotionally complicated sandwich. Our mission today is simple. You will hear, imagine, and repeat 8 words in Gujarati. We begin.
Ab.
Now, not later, not after lunch, not after your brain negotiates with your sofa. You will learn during as,
Darmiyan.
since as,
Thi.
until as,
Suthi.
now as,
Ab.
before as,
Pehla.
after as,
Pachi.
against as,
Viruddha.
and without as.
Vina.
Take a breath. You are already doing great. A very serious movie night. Let's learn with a dramatic scene that is absolutely not based on me eating popcorn too loudly. Listen for the Gujarati words and picture the action. I stayed quiet.
Darmiyan.
The movie. Well, mostly quiet. During dinner, the phone rang, so we paused the film and stared at the screen like it had betrayed us. In Gujarati, during is
Darmiyan.
Then my friend said, I have loved this actor.
Balpanthi.
That ending sound
Thi.
gives the idea of since. The shop next door was open until 8, so in Gujarati we say
Suthi.
for until. We wanted snacks.
Ab.
Now, immediately, because apparently popcorn is a human right. We washed our hands.
Pehla.
Dinner, and we ate dessert.
Pachi.
The movie. One friend was strongly
Viruddha.
pineapple on pizza, and another ordered tea.
Vina.
Sugar. Congratulations. You just survived a full Gujarati vocabulary scene with cinema-level tension. Word-by-word power drill. Now you will hear each word clearly, with a simple meaning and a line you can repeat. Go on, pretend you are the star of a language learning blockbuster. During is
Darmiyan.
repeat, it rained.
Darmiyan.
The night. Since is
Thi.
repeat, she has been waiting.
Savarthi.
Until is
Suthi.
repeat, wait.
Suthi.
Tomorrow. Now is
Ab.
repeat, start.
Ab.
Not later. Before is
Pehla.
repeat, think.
Pehla.
You speak. After is
Pachi.
repeat, we will eat.
Pachi.
Class. Against is
Viruddha.
repeat, she spoke.
Viruddha.
Violence. Without is
Vina.
repeat, I drink tea.
Vina.
Sugar. Tiny dialogue, big memory. Here comes a quick dialogue. It is short, useful, and only mildly chaotic, like most real conversations. A. When did the lights go out? B.
Darmiyan.
The movie. A. How long have you been here? B.
Savarthi.
A. How long should I wait? B. Wait.
Sanj Suthi.
A. When should we leave? B.
Ab.
A. Should I speak first? B. Think.
Pehla.
A. When do we eat dessert? B. Dinner.
Pachi.
A. Are you for the plan? B. No, I am.
Viruddha.
A. Tea with sugar? B. No.
Vina.
Please. Memory tricks that actually stick. You do not need a giant brain palace, but honestly, it would be fun. Let's build a few silly memory images anyway. Picture a clock floating over a dinner table with
Darmiyan.
glowing in the middle. That helps you remember during. 4.
Thi.
Imagine a bright starting line on a timeline. Everything begins there and continues since that point. 4.
Suthi.
See a road ending at a big sign that says stop here until this point. 4.
Ab.
Imagine a giant alarm clock shouting, "Do it,"
अब,
very rudely. 4.
पहला,
Think of standing at a door before entering. 4.
पछि,
Imagine one train car following another. 4.
विरुद्ध,
Cross your arms like you are against a terrible idea, such as socks on hands. 4.
वीणा,
Imagine a sandwich without bread. It is upsetting, yes, but unforgettable. Quick quiz for brave humans. Time for a mini quiz. No pressure. If you get one wrong, the grammar police will not arrive on a scooter. What is the Gujarati word for during?
दरमियान,
What is the Gujarati word for since?
थी,
What is the Gujarati word for until?
सूती,
What is the Gujarati word for now?
अब,
What is the Gujarati word for before?
पहला,
What is the Gujarati word for after?
पछि,
What is the Gujarati word for against?
विरुद्ध,
What is the Gujarati word for without?
वीणा,
Your final challenge. You are at the final level now. No dragon, sadly, but there is a challenge. Say the Gujarati word before I do. I stayed quiet during the movie.
दरमियान,
I have lived here since 2020.
थी,
Wait until tomorrow.
सूती,
Start now.
अब,
Wash your hands before dinner.
पहला,
We will eat after class.
पछि,
They voted against the plan.
विरुद्ध,
I drink tea without sugar.
वीणा,
Thanks and keep going. Nicely done. You made it through time words, opposition, absence, and one suspicious sandwich. Today you practiced.
दरमियान, थी, सूती, अब, पहला, पछि, विरुद्ध,
And.
वीणा.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing a little every day, say the words out loud, and use them in your own sentences. You are improving.
अब,
Right now, and that is worth celebrating.